Hello, this will be a super quick video on how to add sounds and backgrounds in GameMaker. So first of all, we can add a sound to begin with, usually by right-clicking Create Sound or this little button here. You have to create a sound or a background before you actually use it, so it has to appear in your resources or assets on the left. If we go to Load, there are heaps of preloaded sounds. Might just choose a beep. So let's call this SND_beep, always keeping to a naming convention. And it is a normal sound that will only occur every so often when something happens. So what we do is, in the event that we want our sound to play, in this instance when our little character collides with the diamond, we go into the main one tab and we have an option to play a sound. We choose the sound that we've just created and we want to keep a loop as false because we only want the sound to play once. We can also set up a background music sound file by doing the same thing. Choosing a music file, how convenient, and you can see it's automatically set this to background music. If it doesn't do that, you can do that yourself. And we have a controller object set up that controls things like scoring and lives and things like that. And we can get in our create event of this controller. My dog is just having a bit of a shake if you heard that. We can play our background sound, our music, and we actually want loop to be true because we want our background music to continue playing because we don't know how long our player is going to be playing our game. So that's sound. Backgrounds are really simple. Right click or this icon here, little Windows image. BG, they don't all have to be 3 characters. BG makes more sense than BCK to me. Load a background. Let's go the middle. Call it metal. It's only 64 by 64 pixels. So, as you can see here, I've already added it to our room by going to the background tab, scrolling down, and choosing the background metal, I've got 2 in there, as my background. It's automatically figured out that the size of my background image is smaller than the size of my room, so it's automatically tiled it, and if you look really closely you can see that it's done that. However, if you stretch it instead, it's really pixelated, so it depends on the size of your background and how you want it to appear.